So hi guys, welcome back to my channel Commerce with Artist Guinea. So this is the video of June 2025 question paper Corporate and Economic Laws. Today in this video I will share you the MCQ reviews, answers of MCQs. So let's start. I don't want to take your much time. So first MCQ में है कि हाँ ये जो so in this first MCQ they are asking about directors constitution, like which one is correct. So as you know कि if it is an unlisted company and in an unlisted company it is above than 300 crores, so it is mandatory for to appoint a woman director and to appoint a independent director. So in this case study they are not giving they haven't appointed any woman director, or we can say independent director also. So it is an unlisted company with 4 directors which is not properly constituted. So first ka D hai. I hope you are getting. So this same case study it belongs to the first 4 MCQs belongs to this first case study only. Can Mr. Raman be considered as independent director? No, since he is a non-resident, he is related to UK, so Raman Kumar can't be appointed as a independent director. So next question is there any need of woman director? Yes, there is a need of woman director because the turnover is more than 300 crores. Third ka A. What will be the status of the director nominated by SBI? Can she be treated as woman director? No, she can't be classified as woman director because she is nominated by the SBI. The company is in the process of taking, and the SBI will nominated a woman director on the board of director. SBI is appointing a nominee director. SBI is not appointing a woman director. So no, she will be classified as a nominee director and not a woman director, as if when nominee director is appointed by a financial institution, it is not considered as a woman director. In case of private limited companies, as per the Companies Act, the criteria for appointment of internal creditor, I hope you know guys, in the turnover 200 crore or more, or outstanding liability from bank is 100 crore or. Let me tell you guys, this video is shot by my father. So in this second and third point, the fifth का MCQ का आंसर है fifth का A. Mostly the MCQs are asked from MCQ Bank. Mostly the MCQs are asked from ICMI Institute. So MCQs were quite easy, but I think paper was moderate. Like we can't say that was tough or paper was easy, very easy or very tough. Paper was average. Which of the following will classify as CSR expenditure? This question is also from our ICMI Institute. So in this is 2, 3 and 4, because it is a donation to unrecognized charitable institution is not qualified as CSR expenditure. So sixth ka C. Insolvency and bankruptcy code, I hope you guys know that this question is also from our book. This question is also in our ICMI Institute. This question is also in our MCQ Bank. So not applicable financial service providers under the IBC. A person shall not be eligible. First, IBC, a person shall not be eligible to submit a resolution plan if such person is in an undischarged insolvent at the time of submission, has an account, or is a willful defaulter. I think classified an NPA. So first is 8th ka A. SBI has 3 functions. This question is also from ICMI study material, ICMI book. Answer is quasi official. Okay. Next is answer is D. So next is 10th unfair competition. This question is also from our MCQ Bank, our ICMI study material. MCQs were really very easy. 10th ka B. Guys, let me tell you, this video is recording by my father only. So 11th का A, 11th का not A, 11th का है there. If MSI is unit goes to next category, this question is from note SMME chapter, and for next 3 years 11th का answer is C. 12th का answer is D. I think most of the students will say that इसका answer that this answer is A, order of RBI, but no. For winding up of a banking company, this order is given by High Court only, but it for this RBI applies for winding up for to a High Court, but ultimate order emerges from jurisdictional High Court only. I hope you are getting. This question is from our ICMI study material MCQ bank. Again and again I was saying you guys that MCQ bank kar lo, ICMI study material kar lo. So this question is asked. In this question answer is Indian security, but earlier in past year papers in NQPs they were asking like Venus Limited is a foreign company and it is issued to a non-resident. Earlier they were asking non-resident to non-resident, but in this question they are asking about resident company to non-resident. So the answer is Indian securities. Next question is which among the following is not a cyber crime? Again guys, this question is from our study material. This is publishing obscene information is not an cyber crime under the Information Technology Act 2000. ठीक है जी. Okay, next is no. Yes. So next is 15th. Insurance policy issued by an insurance shall not be questioned after 3 years. So that's it about our MCQs, and section B will discuss later. If you guys are interested, ठीक है जी. I know the paper was lengthy, paper was average, this wasn't easy, but it was manageable. Okay. Yes. The last thing, how was your paper today? Write down your experience in the comment section. Wishing you all the best for your next upcoming papers. Thank you so much for watching this video.